Hey everybody. So I've been getting some questions about the outline, so I figured I would come on here and give you guys just another walkthrough of my expectations of how to do an outline. Just give you another example. So here's a prompt. Is cosmetic surgery sought out for vanity reasons or does it have more intrinsic value? So I'm just going to go through the steps. I would start off with my thesis statement and what's the topic, value of cosmetic surgery. All right. And then what is my assertion, right? What is my stance or what do I think about cosmetic surgery? And I'm going to argue that cosmetic surgery has more than just vanity value. All right. And then what are my big reasons? I'm going to argue that it has health benefits and other surprise benefits. And more specifically, I'm going to talk about sleep and vision. And when I talk about health, I'm going to talk about weight and mental. Okay, so you don't have to go into this big of details, but that's kind of where I'm going to go. So my thesis statement is a combination of my supporting reasons and my topic and my assertion. So I'm going to put this together into one sentence. Cosmetic surgery has more than just vanity value because there are health benefits and other surprise benefits to this type of surgery. All right, so one thing to remember when you're creating your outline is that the sentences and the ideas that you're creating are just the beginning draft. They don't have to be super fancy, really sophisticated and catchy, right? We're just working on our rough draft, so we're just getting ideas out. So it's okay to have a basic sentence as your thesis statement. As you look, my thesis statement is not super snazzy. It's not the best written sentence ever, but I'm just thinking through ideas. And that's what the outline plan is for, is to help you plan and organize ideas. So here's my thesis. Now I'm going to start my first body paragraph. So we could put body paragraph 1, or you can put this as reason 1, right? And my reason 1 is going to be health benefits. Now here I want to put my examples, right? So I'm going to put weight, right? Those who get weight reduction surgery have more success avoiding obesity. Okay, so there's my simple example. I'm going to come up with another example. I'm going to say mental health. Generally, those who feel confident cosmetically can avoid self-esteem, mental struggles. Okay? And these are just some general ideas, some general supporting examples. Notice I'm not writing in complete sentences. I'm not being super specific. I'm being a little bit vague. So here I'm going to go and I'm going to talk about my reason 2, which I said other surprise benefits. Okay, and so what are my examples? Let's see. What did I say? Sleep and vision. Sleep. Weight reduction surgery can help those help people avoid discomfort when sleeping, and then get better sleep. All right, what was my second example? vision. Let's see, those who get eye surgery generally have the side benefit of improved vision. And so these are just ideas to help me organize. So you can see this is going to be my first body paragraph, and here's going to be the supporting details that I'm going to discuss that are going to help me build a strong, supported point that then proves my thesis, right? My thesis that I'm arguing is that cosmetic surgery has more value than just vanity, right? And now that I've included 2 different reasons plus supporting details, that assertion is more well supported, if that makes sense. I've given specific details, and I haven't gone into extreme detail in my outline. I'll develop that more as I go and write my body paragraphs, as I write my first draft. So essentially, guys, when I ask you to do an outline, this is what I'm looking for. This stuff right here. What are the parts of your thesis? So essentially, your thesis statement, your reasons, and then at least 2 supporting examples. Sometimes we might come up with a 3rd reason. Let's come up with a 3rd reason. Let's see, what else is another benefit of cosmetic surgery? More confidence equals more enjoyable life, right? So example, not afraid to wear bathing suit, right? Another example, won't avoid activities that make them feel self-conscious. I think that's one word. So if you wanted to have 3 reasons, 3 body paragraphs, you could have 3 body paragraphs. If you wanted to have 5, you could continue on. But essentially, we use this outline plan to help us organize and plan for our body paragraphs. So hopefully this little video serves as to kind of help you give you a blueprint of how to think through your ideas, how to plan, how to craft that essay before you actually sit down and write it. So, but as always, guys, if you have questions, shoot me an email, and I am happy to do another one of these if need be. So have an awesome day. Bye, guys.